Hey guys, Ryan with the MXG channel again. Got an update for you guys. A couple weeks ago, I posted a video showing you guys the Mountain High pipe. Complete made in the USA front header pipe for the TPI model, KTM Husky Gas. And if you want some details about the clearance gains you get with that pipe for hard enduro and stuff like that, then go watch that video. I will link it down below. But today I have some news. At the time I released that video, there was only a Works Edition pipe available, which looks really cool, especially if you come from a motocross. You know, if you're a motocross guy like I am, everybody loves the Works pipes. However, the off-road guys tend to get a little more gnarlier when it comes to water and mud and things like that. And sometimes they want a pipe that's a little bit less work. And Mountain High Pipes has delivered. So we have the plated Mountain High pipe right here. So it's the same pipe. It's going to give you your same clearance gains. You get clearance gains on the bottom, out here, and from the front wheel. It's just plated, guys, so it's not going to rust. It's going to be a lot less work to keep this thing clean and looking good. So this is available at AOMC.mx and only at AOMC.mx. They're in stock and shipping the same day. I'll put the link down below. You guys go over and check them out. And yeah, if you've been running one, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think of these things. Ryan with the MXG channel. Appreciate your all support. See you in the next video.